we're on to the advanced topics. What's next?
So today we're going to talk about expected value.
Is that like what my house is worth or what?
So what it is it's a way to predict the average outcome when you're dealing with something that involves randomness or luck, like esports betting.
Okay. What's something a little simpler, like I have some change in my pocket? Like what about if we're just flipping a coin?
So coin flips are a great example. So the way expected value works is you want to calculate the average return you're going to get from all the possible outcomes. So say we're flipping a coin and we're going to bet on it. We're going to bet $1 every flip.
Okay.
So if it comes up heads, you pay me $1. If it comes up tails, I pay you $1. So the way you calculate is those two outcomes. So for you, you're either going to win $1 50% of the time or lose $1 50% of the time. When the math all lines up, zero expected value. But say we change the game. Every time it comes up heads, you pay me $2. Now all of a sudden, I'm making more money every time I win. So I'm going to have a positive expected value. So the more times we play this game, I'm going to make money in the long run.
Okay, so that's how it works with coin flips. And I'm definitely not paying you $2 on a flip. I don't like that plan. So now let's move into esports. What happens there?
So now that we've talked about implied probability and how to figure out the percentage chance that each team's going to win the match, you can use that and the betting that you're doing to calculate the expected value of every bet you want to make.
Okay.
And so what expected value is telling you is whether you're going to be profitable in the long run or not. So you're looking for any bet you can find where your average return is going to be higher than zero. So using the formula we outlined below, we can quickly take a look at this match between these two teams.
So we have Fnatic playing OG. The odds for Fnatic are 2.69 and the odds for OG are 1.43. There are 3 steps for calculating the EV of a bet. Let's quickly go through them and then we'll solve the EV for this example. So step 1 is calculate what you believe to be the true win rate of each team using whatever research you feel will best predict the actual outcome of the match. Then in step 2, you'll compare that true win rate to the implied probability that you learned how to calculate in the previous video. And whichever team's true win rate is greater than their implied probability is the team that you're going to want to bet on because that's where the value is going to be. Step 3, use this true win rate and the odds to calculate the EV by plugging it into the EV formula that's provided. So now it's time to do the work. Let's say we've calculated based on current form and meta that Fnatic and OG are actually extremely evenly matched. The true win rates are 52% for OG and 48% for Fnatic. We can compare these to the implied probabilities using the odds, 37% for Fnatic and 69% for OG. Fnatic's true win rate is higher than their implied probability, so we're going to bet on them. Let's calculate the EV of a $10 bet. So the first outcome is Fnatic win. Our $10 bet booked at odds of 2.69 will pay out $26.90, yielding a profit of $16.90. This will occur 48% of the time. The second outcome is OG win. If that happens, we lose our $10. This will happen 52% of the time. So the expected value of the first outcome is $16.90 times 48%, or $8.11. And the EV of outcome 2 is losing your $10, negative 10 times 52%, which is negative $5.20. You add these two outcomes together to find your total EV. In this case, it's $2.91. On average, our $10 bet will net a positive return of $2.91. This bet has some amazing value and you should definitely book it immediately.
All right, so now that Evan's taken me through all of this, I think it's time for me to go test out everything I learned and see if I can make some money.
Best of luck.